So now you need to know how to transfer your cryptocurrency from one wallet to another. Let's find out how.
Alright guys, in this episode we will use Binance to transfer some USDT or digital dollars to your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see, I will be using a funding wallet in my Binance account. I have already prepared 10 USD dollars, the digital ones, and we will wire them to your MetaMask wallet. So first we need to go to the MetaMask and grab the external wallet address. Okay, and now we have the address and we will hit withdraw. So that basically means removing money from this account and putting it in a different account, right? So let's hit withdraw. Okay, so we need to select coin. Then we need to select where we're sending to. So here, address, you need to copy the address of the wallet you want to send it to. And here we need to select network. So we will be using the BSC or Binance Smart Chain Network. And here you can see it gives you some more details of the potential transaction. Yeah, so it should arrive within 4 minutes and the fee will be 19 US cents. So we select that. Binance is just checking that wants to make sure that basically you know what you're doing and you have selected the correct information. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, so we are transferring $10. Okay, and here it says you will receive $9.81 because it removes automatically the 19 cents charge. Withdraw. So here is just another check prompt. Yeah, so it wants to make sure that the selected network is BNB Smart Chain. Basically, if you select wrong network by mistake, you can lose all your funds. Confirm. Okay, so this is just a summary of what you're about to do. So the address, network, amount, source where the money is coming from. All right, and we hit continue. So here, this is a two-factor authentication of Binance. Before you can submit your transfer, you need to enter the PIN from your authenticator app. Okay, once that is done, it is processing and your withdrawal request is submitted. That's all. Hit complete, and here you can see that the transfer is processing, right? So remember, it asked for about 4 minutes of processing time. So let's give it a couple of minutes and go and check your MetaMask wallet. That is it, guys. It's that simple. If you like the simplicity of the videos I'm doing and you find them helpful, and if you want to see more of this sort, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it to other people who might enjoy this. Thanks for watching.